Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today I'm doing my Ipsy Unbagging, and I actually have 2 bags this month. This is 4. 2 bags this month because I actually got like a little, you get to gift a free bag thing, so I actually gifted it to my husband so that I could open too. So yeah, we did that. Before we dive in, I wanted to just like apologize for a second real quick. YouTube is no longer notifying me when I get comments. So if you've commented on my video and I've missed it or I haven't responded for a few days, I'm really sorry. I'm no longer getting notifications, which is super annoying. So I'm trying to keep an eye on it, but if I miss you, I'm sorry, I'm trying. But anyway, so I have my regular bag and then I have Dylan's bag here. So mine took forever to get here. It is the 21st of the month and I just got mine today. Dylan's got here like a week ago, so that's annoying too. So we're gonna open my bag first just because there's like already a product chilling out here. So here is what it is. This is an, I believe, SL Miss Glam. Yeah, SL Miss Glam brush. It is a blender, so it's supposed to go in your eye. I actually might use that for highlight more than eyeshadow. Also, my eyeshadow is not the best today, I'm sorry. I love SL Miss Glam brushes. I love the handle, it's super cute. I'm always down for another brush, so down for that. Also, my bag is unzipped, so that's cute, but oh, here's the bag. I'm a scatterbrain today. It's super cute, like sunset vibes, just like the Glam Bag Plus was, but this is like a pinky peach into a yellow inside. Oh, look, we get a card. Exciting. There's no products in this card. I'm just kidding. It's add-on crap. I'm really over not getting cards. Okay, so the product I knew I was getting because I chose is this. This is by Yensa. I'd never heard of this brand. It's Yensa Skin on Skin BC Concealer, BB plus CC plus full coverage concealer plus 8 super black essence. I don't know what super black essence is, but I chose this because, you know, I don't really have a lot of concealers, so I'm always down for a new one. And yeah, I don't know, I chose this. There's like 0 product in here. There's like nothing in here. Okay, there we go. I just chose the lightest cool shade that they had, so hopefully this matches. Looks a little yellowy though for being cool. I used so much. Oh, that's not terrible. It's kind of brightening. Smells like a very, very, very slight hint of fruit, but that could also be like leftover hand sanitizer on my hand, so who knows. Next thing in here, Pure Brazilian Daily Anti-Frizz Serum Leave-In Treatment for Stronger, Healthy Looking Hair. Okay, I'm down for that. I do clearly have frizzy hair and I have very dehydrated hair, so I can just like screw this off without, yeah. Ooh, smells really good. Almond maybe? Smells kind of almondy. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, okay, yeah I can. Keratin, acai, argan oil, cocoa butter, that's probably what I'm smelling. For shinier hair without frizz. All right, I'm down for that. I don't usually like love getting hair stuff, but that's fine. I'm okay with it. This is by Fab, First Aid Beauty. Fab Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask, Soothe and De-Stress. I need some soothing and de-stressing in my life. Okay, let's just squeeze a little bit out. Smells minty. Right there. It's kind of like a really pretty bluish color. It looks like toothpaste. Oh yeah, it smells really minty. Okay, sure. I'm not in love with that product, but I also don't hate it. Okay. Last thing in here is by Tarte. This is the H2O Gloss. So that's cute. Do you have a shade name? Sail Away. not a huge gloss person. You guys know this if you've seen literally any video ever. But ooh, she looks thick and sticky. That's what she said. Smells kind of good. Oh yeah. Ooh, it's thick. I don't know if I'm gonna like that, I'm gonna be honest. It's kind of goopy feeling. Ugh. I don't know, we'll try it out. We'll of course try it, but I don't have high hopes for that one. Okay, let me wipe off all of the stuff on my hand. We'll do our quick recap and then I'll move on to the other bag and we'll see which one was better. Okay, why did I say okay so many times? The face mask, I'm indifferent about. Like, a face mask is a face mask. I have a drawer full, so I'm not super excited about that, but that's fine. This I'm excited for. I do have like a defrizzy thing right now that I'm using. I didn't use it today, obviously, but I will definitely use this once a year later when that's done. The lip gloss, I'm iffy about. I love the fact that we got something by Tarte, because Tarte's a great brand. Love the color of the lid. Just not sure I'm gonna like that. The concealer I picked, so like I was excited to get it, but the lack of product in here is kind of concerning. But I'm definitely excited to try a new brand. And then the brush, I'm always down for a good brush, and I love SL Miss Glam brushes, so. Okay, Dylan's bag. Looks like this. Oh look, he got a card. Just kidding. Oh, if you don't know who Dylan is, he's my husband. If I didn't say that yet. Okay, Pixie by oh, I think I have this. Yeah, I do. Okay, this is a blush. It's by Pixie. Let me grab mine so I can swatch it for you and not ruin that. Here it is. I also got mine by Ipsy. Looks like this. I've used it a few times. It's really pretty. It's really, really soft. It's a matte blush. It's kind of like a very natural color. Blends out really nicely. I like it. I wear it quite a bit. So, I mean, I already have it, so like I'm not excited to have another one, but I'm gonna put this in my little giveaway box, which I'm doing when we hit 200 subscribers. So subscribe because we're almost there. But yeah, moving on. I have this, which is Auto Bomb Day to Night Shadows on the Go. Do I have this? This is a single. I don't think I want to swatch this. It's gonna be too dark to be a highlight. I don't want to swatch this. I'm gonna put this in the giveaway too, just because I do not use single shadows like ever, and I don't want to swatch it and waste it. But it's a pretty color. It's a gold. It doesn't have a shade name, but it's from the Auto Bomb Day to Night palette. Pure Lease Coconut Oil and Plumeria Silky Body Butter soothes, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes. Will I actually use this ever? I can't smell it. I can't smell it. I don't know. I don't think I want to open this either. Because I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like 10 lotions over there. We're gonna put this in the giveaway too, guys. So stay tuned, because once I hit 200, I'm doing it. Originally, I wanted to do it at 500, but like it's taking me literally forever to hit 2. So, okay, Tarte Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask. This is a little baby, but I'll swatch it. I'm down for a lip mask. So we got a Tarte product in both bags. That's kind of cool. Be even cooler if I could open it. There we go. Ooh, it's like a hot pink color. It smells amazing. It smells like a lip smacker. Yeah, it smells like watermelon lip smackers. It smells so good. It's thick too, so that's gonna be a nice lip mask. I know I literally just said ew, it's thick when I was swatching the lip gloss, but this is a mask, so it's something that I would wear like to bed. So I'm down for that. And the last and final product is Ciate Fierce Flicks. I think I have this too. Or at least I've had this before. Okay, so I decluttered it, but it wasn't bad. I just have 2 Ciate eyeliners, so I kept one and not the other. this is going in the giveaway too, guys. So if you saw any of these products and you're like, oh, I want that, subscribe and enter the giveaway when I do it. Recap. Eyeliner is cool. It's a good one. I've used it before. The shadow, it's really pretty. I just don't use single shadows, so I don't know. Part of me kind of wants to like change my little thing and say that I don't want eyeshadow, but at the same time, because I get the bigger Ipsy, I do want to get eyeshadow because I do like palettes, so I'm up in the air with that one. The little lip glaze thing I'm excited for. I think it's really cute. I will definitely use that. This is nice. Like, I can't really smell it, but coconut and plumeria, I'm assuming smells great. And I like Pure Leaf, so hopefully one of you gets that and loves it. And the blush is really pretty. I really like this blush. So whose bag was better? Let me know in the comments down below, and hopefully I'll see it and respond to it. But yeah, don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos and a possible giveaway, because I'm going to keep saying it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.